PlatoFormers, need to view submissions offline? We've got you covered. In this quick tutorial, we'll guide you through the easy process of downloading submissions within a specified time range. Let's dive in. After landing on the dashboard, head to the submission page by clicking on Submissions in the left navigation. From the top thumbnail viewer, select the form for which you want to export submissions. Now, let's click on Export Submission. In the pop-up box, choose a date range that suits your needs and hit Apply. A prompt will show the number of submissions in this time range. Now, let's explore CSV settings. Toggle on vertical column CSV in Submissions Export to arrange form fields and submitter info in vertical columns. Toggle off for horizontal rows. For the email attachment option, use it when you want to include the CSV in the email notification. Check our user documentation for more details. The Cloud Drive option, on the other hand, is for uploading the CSV file to your cloud drive. Refer to our documentation for instructions. Move down to the CSV delimiter options, comma, semicolon, and tab. These define how your information is separated. Choose the one that suits your needs. Once you've configured your settings, hit that Export button. Downloading your submissions is a breeze. For more details, refer to our user documentation. If this tutorial helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more PlatoForms tips. Thanks for watching, and happy form managing.